So I'm Jimivarna, and I'm going to tell you why I think CrabonFox is the rally tower to go for. So first things first, quality. The workmanship is second to none. It's really great quality. It's really lightweight as well, being carbon, so lightweight is great, especially off-road. The other thing for me is looks. Looks so cool. Everybody wants the bike to look cool. Looks awesome, especially with the official KTM, Husqvarna, Dakar screen. Also offers amazing wind protection. The screen does a really good job at putting the wind around the rider and over the top of the rider. So when you're riding on the roads, you're a lot less fatigued. It also keeps the rain off the rider really nicely as well. The lights are fantastic, massive upgrade over the standard lights, and it's massively versatile. You can fit your phone, you can fit a tablet, you can fit road book, you can go full rally kit on here. The bike can be used for whatever you want. Racing rallies, adventure riding, green laning, you name it. This kit will serve what you need.